Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of AJAWI TV, where we discuss architecture and construction related topics. I'm your host, I'm AJAWI.
And I'm your co-host, Caroon AJAWI. So, yeah.
Jinx. You owe me a drinks. Anyways guys, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to Portland so that we can visit Portland Parish Council. It's the first Monday since Hurricane Melissa.
Yeah.
So we're not 100% sure if it's open, but we're taking a trip down that side. Hopefully the road is clear. Hopefully there's not a lot of damage on the eastern side of the island. Because we've all seen the pictures of the western side. They are in need of great help.
Yeah.
So
It's like really bad. We have reached out to a couple of our subscribers, those that are actually on the mailing list, asking them to support at this time. For us, our view is that the best thing to offer or to give them is somewhere to sleep and a mattress to sleep on. So we geared our give back towards donation towards tents and blow up mattress or blow up bed,
as well as lanterns.
and lanterns. Yeah.
So we have a Amazon gift list.
Yeah, that you can purchase the item from. So we're not accepting any monetary payments because we don't want to get into trouble for anything like that. We will accept just donations of those specific things. So you can purchase the item on our Amazon store and it will be shipped to us or shipped to our forwarding address in the US, and then it will reach us here in Jamaica. If you purchase before November the 28th, or if it is delivered before November the 28th, then we won't be charged duties.
So the government is for imports coming in for up until November 28th, I believe. There are no duties on whatever is coming in. So on specific items, so necessities, food, mattress, tents, toiletries, stuff that people would need over in the western side.
Yeah. So we believe that that is the best thing that we could possibly give back. And besides, it's our area, housing. So we thought that's an essential thing that we could possibly, help with as it relates to donations. So, because a lot of people are giving food. Everybody, as soon as they hear the donation, they're gonna
Food,
towards
clothes.
food and clothes. So we thought it would be best if we focused on the area that we're most comfortable with, which is housing. So tents and stuff like that will help tremendously. So if you donate, we appreciate. If you don't donate, we still appreciate, because you don't have to. I know you're doing it out of the goodness of your heart. So if it is that you do, we really appreciate, and we'll make sure that it gets to these people. Right? We'll vlog it so that you know that, hey, your thing went to a good cause. Alright?
Yeah. It's an Amazon gift list, so you're purchasing it directly from the Amazon link, and then the item itself, the tent or the lantern that you purchase, goes to our mailing or
Shipping address. Yeah.
We pick up the tent and donate. So yeah, there's no.
So on our side, we will have to pay to clear it. To not to clear it, but to receive it. Meaning we have to pay for the weight, but we will do our part as it relates to that. Hopefully it's not too much. I don't want to destroy ourselves in the process of giving, but we'll do our best to make sure that we clear it. We pay for the
shipping. That's
shipping.
The shipping company's charge.
We are gonna get charged for it. Okay. All right. So we're on our way to Portland after this major hurricane, Category 5. Good thing is for us, we didn't get damage directly, but as an island, it was devastating. There are a few things that I wanted to touch on, just little tips moving forward that as a country, I hope that we will adapt. Alright, we'll adapt. So I'm gonna give you a few tips so that you moving forward you'll make very good decisions.
So they're clearing the road up ahead. So right here is a 1-lane traffic.
But them man drive too hard on the road, man. Come on, I must
They're used to the road.
Yeah, them man almost lick me. Man almost lick me car a while ago. I almost send you over the precipice too. Aye.
That's not too bad though. Sometimes when rain falls around junction, like you'll have boulders coming off the sides.
But there was boulders that clear now. So I'm not seeing it.
Okay.
It's not really that bad for real. Watch it. But this thing is so green and nice.
With road on trees. Blow off the leaves.
Things I do for my customers.
The rivers are flowing nicely, in my opinion. Like every river that we pass, they're flowing. Lot of banana damage at the JP Farms at St. Mary's Banana.
really on the ground working hard.